Hey guys, welcome to my channel Thoughts and Things. So today I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchie without a sewing machine. So first of all, you will need a cloth measuring 45 centimeters in length and 10 centimeters in width, an elastic measuring 16 centimeters, a safety pin, a thread and a needle. So let's get started. First of all, take your cloth and fold it like this. Now join both the ends by stitching it like this. Okay, so when you're done with joining both your ends, it should look something like this. Okay, so now take your safety pin and on the top of any side, just put it there and close it. Now using your safety pin, you will turn your cloth inside out. When you've reached the end, just turn it over. Okay, so when you're done with doing that, it should look something like this. Okay, so now remove your safety pin. Now take your elastic and safety pin and just pin the safety pin onto your elastic. Okay, so when you're done with doing that, take any one end of your cloth and again just put the safety pin there and close it. Now with the help of your safety pin, put your elastic inside it. Any elastic you have. Okay, so now when you're done, you will on both the sides of the elastic. Okay, so when you're done with doing that, okay, so now you'll remove the safety pin and you'll take the elastic from both the sides and you will sew both these ends. Two to three stitches will be enough. Just make sure it's secure and tight. Okay, so now cut the thread. And now take both the ends of your cloth and sew these together. And your scrunchie is ready. Thank you for watching Thoughts and Things.